Have you ever walked into a room and noticed someone who seemed to radiate an effortless charm? It's not sorcery or sheer luck, it's charisma. That magnetic mix of confidence, warmth, and presence draws people in, sparks conversations, and leaves a lasting impression. The great news? Charisma isn't some rare, innate gift reserved for the lucky few. It's a skill you can develop and refine to become the most captivating version of yourself. Let's explore the art of charisma and uncover the secrets to making a powerful impact wherever you go. 5. Presence and awareness. The foundation of charisma. Being present is the cornerstone of charisma. When you immerse yourself fully in the moment, people feel your authenticity, which naturally draws them in. Russell Brand, widely praised for his magnetic energy, stresses the importance of being fully present rather than getting caught up in self-reflection. Self-doubt and overthinking can trap you in your head, dulling your natural charm and making it harder to connect with others. To break free from this cycle, start by challenging your inner critic. When self-consciousness creeps in, shift your focus outward. Remind yourself that each interaction is an opportunity to connect, not a performance you need to ace. Embrace imperfections. They make you relatable and human. A misstep in a conversation or a brief awkward silence won't ruin your charisma. In fact, how you recover from those moments matters more than the slip-up itself. Developing a pre-social ritual can also help alleviate your confidence. Music can be a powerful tool to set the right tone. Curate a playlist of songs that energize and uplift you before a social event. Visualization techniques can be incredibly effective too. Picture yourself in a place where you feel relaxed and confident, whether it's a sunny beach or a lively gathering of friends. Simple physical adjustments like standing tall, maintaining good posture, and flashing a genuine smile can shift your mindset and project confidence. Body language is another key element. Presence. In open posture, steady eye contact, and natural gestures signal approachability and self-assurance. When your actions align with your words, others will naturally gravitate towards you. Being fully present and projecting confidence through both your words and actions, you'll leave a lasting positive impression. 4. Emotion over logic. Speaking to the heart. Charisma thrives on emotional connection. People are naturally drawn to emotions, not just facts. This is why great storytellers have such an impact. They don't just convey information. They bring their stories to life with passion, vivid imagery, and an engaging delivery. Take storytelling for an example. Instead of simply recounting an event, immerse your listener in the moment. Describe a road trip like, "We went through the mountains last weekend," could transform into, "We wound through the narrow roads, flanked by towering pine trees, the cool mountain breeze rushing through the windows as the sun dipped behind the peaks." This way, you don't just tell the story, you make others feel it. Your voice is a powerful tool for creating emotional connections. Varying your tone, pace, and volume keeps your audience engaged and prevents your words from becoming monotonous. Pauses can be incredibly effective too. They create anticipation and allow key points to stick in. Don't shy away from showing enthusiasm or using humor. Laughter and smiles are contagious. They help break down barriers and build rapport with your listeners. Another great technique is expanding on conversations to keep them flowing. Instead of answering with just a simple yes or no, provide more context to encourage deeper discussion. For example, if someone asks about your hobbies rather than just saying, "I paint," you could say, "I've recently taken up painting. It's fascinating how different colors blend together, and it's really taught me patience and how to see things differently." This invites the other person to engage with you on a deeper level, making the conversation more dynamic and memorable. 3. Warmth. The secret to building genuine connections. Warmth is the essence that brings charisma to life. It's the quality that makes people feel truly valued, heard, and understood. Think about a moment when someone gave you their full attention and you felt genuinely special. This is the power of warmth in action. At the core of warmth is a sincere interest in others. It starts with putting away distractions like your phone and focusing entirely on the person in front of you. Active listening is key to creating this connection. Nod in understanding, maintain eye contact, and offer phrases that encourage a conversation, such as, "That's interesting," or "Tell me more." Reflecting back on what the other person has said, like, "So you're saying you've been working on this project for months. Tell me how it's been going," shows that you're fully engaged and invested in what they're sharing. Empathy is a powerful tool that strengthens warmth. Try to put yourself in the other person's shoes and understand their emotions. If they're talking about a personal struggle, acknowledge their feelings and offer thoughtful support. Sharing a similar experience without overshadowing theirs can create a deeper bond, showing that you can truly relate. Compliments are also vital in cultivating warmth. A well-timed, genuine compliment can brighten someone's day and deepen your connection. Instead of offering broad phrases like, "You're awesome," aim for something specific like, "I really admire how you remain so calm under pressure during that meeting." Authenticity is key. People can sense when a compliment is sincere versus when it's given out of obligation or habit. When your warmth feels real, others will naturally be drawn to you, creating stronger and more meaningful connections. 2. Confidence, the core of charismatic presence. Confidence is the foundation of charisma. It's not about dominating the room or speaking the loudest, but about being genuinely comfortable with who you are. Confident individuals exude a calm, steady assurance that draws people in and makes them feel at ease. This inner strength creates an atmosphere where others feel valued, and that's the true power of charisma. Building confidence starts with self-awareness and self-acceptance. It's essential to recognize your strengths and embrace your unique qualities. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how big or small, and practice gratitude for the attributes that make you who you are. This positive shift in mindset helps replace self-doubt with self-assurance. Confidence is also a skill that grows through practice. Social interactions become smoother and more natural the more you engage with others. Start with small, low-pressure conversations, and as you gain comfort, more significant interactions will feel less intimidating. Practice truly listening to others and offer thoughtful responses. This fosters a more relaxed dynamic, allowing you to confidently be yourself. Another powerful way to boost confidence is by observing charismatic individuals you admire. Watch how they speak, listen, and interact. What sets them apart? Is it their humor, their storytelling ability, or the way they make others feel included? Analyze their traits and adopt what resonates with you, but always keep it authentic to your own personality. Finally, true confidence shines when you handle challenges with grace. Whether it's dealing with criticism, facing unexpected situations, or navigating disagreements, staying calm and composed in the face of adversity demonstrates emotional intelligence. A well-timed laugh, a thoughtful response, or a calm demeanor can diffuse tension and solidify your presence as someone others trust and gravitate towards. 1. The journey to charisma. Practice and patience. Charisma is a skill that grows through consistent effort. Every interaction is a chance to practice and refine your approach. By experimenting with different techniques and observing how others respond, you can adapt and enhance your ability to connect. If you're just starting to build your charisma, begin small. Engage in low-pressure conversations with coworkers, baristas, or fellow commuters. These everyday interactions provide valuable practice, helping you build confidence and improve your social skills. As you become more comfortable, you'll find it easier to engage in more dynamic settings. Keep in mind that charisma isn't about perfection. In fact, striving to be flawless can often have the opposite effect. Authenticity is far more captivating. Embrace your quirks, laugh off your mistakes, and focus on making genuine connections with others. The most charismatic individuals are those who allow their true selves to shine through. Charisma is not a distant, unattainable ideal. It's a learnable art that begins with presence, emotional resonance, warmth, and confidence. By practicing these key elements, you'll naturally draw people in and create meaningful connections wherever you go. So, step into your next interaction with an open heart, a curious mind, and a confident stride. The room is waiting to light up. Just bring your authentic self and watch the magic happen. So, what's stopping you from unlocking your own magnetic charisma? Ready to light up any room you walk into? If you found these tips helpful and are pumped to start practicing, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting tips to level up your presence. Share your journey to charisma with us in the comments below. We want to hear how you're owning your charm. Stay confident, stay warm, and keep shining. See you next time.